Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie. This week we're taking you along to the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta. This is our second time attending. The first time was a bus. This time we had a great time and we're going to share all the sights and sounds. So let's go. It's 5:20 in the morning. We are in Albuquerque. We are making our way to the mass ascension of the Balloon Fiesta. Last time we were here and tried this was 2 years ago and it was winded out. So hopefully, and looking around, the weather should be perfect. We made it to the Balloon Fiesta.
Welcome to the 52nd Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. It looks like it's going to be another great day. Every morning, this fiesta has been fantastic. We're hoping for another great morning. Keep an eye on our stage flag. We're looking for green.
More balloons are getting ready for the mass ascension at 7. We're about 15 minutes away from mass ascension. It is cold out this morning. I think it was like 55 and we did not dress warm enough. So wear more layers than we did. Plus is if you get really close to the balloons, which you actually can, you can feel the heat. So that's a plus. Mass ascension should be starting any moment. The national anthem is being sung in the background, very far away from us. Those are all hot air balloons. Hundreds of them. More are waiting to take off. The sun's finally coming out. It's been an enjoyable morning. They move much faster than you think they do. There's something you don't see every day, a hot air balloon team pulled by a Cybertruck. I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. Also, check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We'll see you next Thursday. Have a great week.